Hi guys, welcome to the third part of the final project of JavaScript. So let's proceed with a new function. Inside the same function, I forgot to mention this. We still have to create another array with the outputs that we will have for the different inputs. So I'm going to create a new array. Call it variable h new array, and in here I'm going to type h 0 equals to between double quotes we will create a span, and basically a span in HTML or XHTML is a tag like this. We type it like this. A tag that you can put in line or inside other tags to with properties like CSS, so styling with colors, that part of the code which is inside the span. But just to make it simple and clearer, let's say we have a paragraph, okay, and we have, hi, my name is Victor and I'm 31. Now let's say I want to style Victor, okay, so I use a span tag here, close the span here, and I can give it a color to Victor with the style property, which is for CSS. So when you use style equals double quotes, inside the double quotes you can use whatever CSS properties you want. So let's say I want to put this Victor in red. I can type color and then red. Okay, this is not working now because I already used double quotes here, you see, here and here. So in order for this to work, you'll see that color red now appears as black. So that means that this line of code will not work. In order for it to work, you have to put single quotes in here and here. Okay, so now everything is gray now, so it means that this line of code, XHTML code, will work perfectly, and Victor will be in red. Okay, so this is why we use span, and this is what span tags are. But let's take all this out, and let's create a span tag, and let's style this style equals, and now we have to use single quotes, and let's type color red, and you'll see in a moment why I'm creating this style color red. Basically this is for the outputs of the messages, okay, or of errors that let's say we click submit and we forgot to put an email, so message will appear saying in red, please put your email, or you forgot your email address. Okay, so error messages in red. Now we have to close this, and now we type the message. So please type a name. Let's close this span. Okay, so now we have the error message for the name. Now let's create another one for the email. Please type an email. Sorry, the last. Please type a last name, or your last. Please type your name. Please type your last name. Oh, and in here we have type 1, don't forget that. Copy another here 2. Please type, this will be, please type your email. Let's copy this and paste it. Here 3. Please type your password. Copy, and here 4. Please type your, please, we can type here, please confirm your password. Okay. Now down here we create, we have to create a field for the outputs, right? Just right after the tr here. Let's type, or sorry, before the tr, let's create td and close td. Now between the tds we type div id equals, and let's call this m name, and close div. Okay. Now I have to do that. We have to do that for all the other fields. So in here we can grab the div that we have here, copy, and okay, instead of that, let's grab all this, copy and put it in here, paste it, paste it, paste that, and paste that. Okay, perfect. Now the names are the second one, let's call this ml name. The third one will be m email. This will be m password, and this will be m c password. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how you can put something appearing inside a div without actually putting something in here. Okay, so you'll see that we don't have nothing inside the div m name, but here I'm going to type line of code, which is document dot get element by ID, and it's m name, that's the field, and instead of value we're gonna type inner HTML. What this will do is equals to something. It will be equal, so whatever we type here now, it's going to appear inside that div without actually putting anything in here in text, okay, in the code. So I'm going to show you that it works. You can type whatever you want. It's my column. Save. Let me run this in Chrome, and when I click submit, sorry, when I click oh, sorry. Okay. Let me take this alert out first. Copy. Sorry. Save. And also down here, instead of submit, the input type, the button is type button. Okay, because we're not submitting anything to a server. This will be only a button to output something, and basically save that, and now everything should work perfectly. And there it is, it works. So let me run once more. When you click submit, it appears it works. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you for each field that we not complete, we will output in each field, or in the correct field here, the M name or the ML name next to the corresponding field. Okay, so if we don't type a name, I'll create I will put here the inner HTML, or with inner HTML I'm gonna put here an output saying please type your name, and here the same thing for the last name, email, okay, all that. So see you guys in the next video. Okay.